Hello, folks. Hey, it's Joe and I. We're here again together with Mamey Americana, otherwise known as
Mamey apple.
Mamey apple. We also have the Mamey sapote, not to be confused with. Okay.
Yeah, not related at all.
No connection. No.
Yeah.
No. This is a good ripe one, huh?
Yeah, it's ready.
Yeah. Sometimes these are kind of hard. In the past, this fruit, not to spoil things, has reminded me a little bit of crunchy citrus or oranges or something.
Yeah, it reminds me of a mango, kind of like a
Mango?
crunchy mango. They're closely related to, or not closely. They're related to mangosteens, somewhat closely.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, and so let's see again. Central America. Or?
Yeah, Americana. So I presume it's Central to South America.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely not Chicago. That's for sure. We never saw any of those around Chicago. They're around the island here. Occasionally, you run across a thing called the cannonball tree,
Right.
and the fruit looks a
Right.
little bit like this. But don't
Yeah.
try to eat those. Boy, do they stink. Okay.
Yeah, this fruit used to be classified in the Clusiaceae family, which is the mangosteen family, and I've read recently that it's been moved into a different family, but the plants look kind of similar.
They do look a little similar. I have a few of the trees here on the land that I planted years ago. It is a slow beast at this elevation.
Yeah.
It's very questionable as to whether I'll actually ever even see any fruit up here. The rose beetles also like to eat it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they eat it a lot.
This fruit comes from a tree that's a really good selection of this fruit. It you'll see when you get in there, the seed comes off of the flesh.
Freestone?
More or less. See, it's not fully attached
I
there.
see that. I see that. It's got a big hollow in there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's peeling right off for us. Nice. Let me do some more of that. Yeah, there it goes. All right.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, yeah, it's a good ripe one. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
It's beautiful.
My own
Your
Yamaki.
yarmulke?
Yeah, Yamaka. All right. Well, cut ourselves some slices here.
Oh yeah. The seed comes right off.
For you.
That's a good hunk. It's like looks like a piece of melon or something.
It does. Yeah, no. Let's see. Aroma. I'm getting that little bit of orangey, citrusy sort of smell
Yeah.
here.
It is orangey, yeah. It is.
Oh, I think it's the smell of the seed, though. The seed smells a little bit like
think so?
cacao. That's weird. Okay. I'll be darned. This is the first one I've ever had that I am picking up a very subtle chocolate flavor in this thing.
Chocolate.
Yeah, almost a little bit. This is what I'm getting anyway. But along with citrus, this one's not as sweet as some I've had in the past. What do you
No.
think?
Yeah, they're not super sweet.
Yeah.
This strikes me as something that you can put in a salad. It's
Yeah.
mild. It would add a little bit of sweetness to a salad, but not too much.
Right. It may have come from a superior selection, but I do believe I've had a better one before.
Oh yeah.
Now, the ones that are in the garden out here actually came from fruit that was tastier. It was sweeter and more citrus flavored
Interesting.
than this. Yeah. It's good. It's got a heck of a seed. And considering if you go into the market what these silly things cost, don't be surprised if you come to the nursery and after I planted the seed, if I want a lot of money for the tree.
Yeah. Oh, there's 2 seeds in there, huh? Good.
This one's got 2.
Yeah, I've had some where you really have to fight to get the flesh off the seed, and this is just, it's very nice.
Yeah, it does. It's very freestone. Comes right off. Stuck just on one corner of the seed is the only place it sticks. What a seed. Okay, well, like I said, this probably is not the best tasting one I ever had. I've had a few of them I found more appealing.
It's kind of a background flavor to me that reminds me of something. It's like vegetal. It almost reminds me of like cauliflower or something like that.
Cauliflower. Well, maybe
Yeah.
maybe that's what I'm calling chocolate or cacao or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
There's a certain unusual flavor in there. Otherwise, it's more orangey. There's definitely an orangey flavor in here that it's got it's slightly acidic, you know, and aromatic and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, it's not bad fruit. It's an oddball. But I can tell you, if you're trying to grow it up here in higher elevation Puna, good luck. We'll see whether my trees will actually ever bear. My son may be the one reporting on them. You know.
This fruit, I believe, was grown in Kapoho at pretty much at sea level, or very close to sea level.
Yeah, so the thing about Hawaii, you know, we have so much elevation change here that, you know, people say, oh, you can grow this or you can grow that. Well, you know, what elevation are you at?
Right, yeah.
That really matters a lot here. Because if you're down at the shore, you got one whole set of things. But if you're up here, you've got another set of things. I was just meeting with folks yesterday from Volcano who have complete other problems at 4,000 feet than we have here. Yeah, so we're halfway in between that.
Yeah.
All righty, folks, there you go. The Mamey apple. Aloha. Happy gardening.